Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix your Shopify meta description not showing in Google search results. If you've carefully written a meta description, but Google is displaying different text instead, don't worry, this is a common situation, and in many cases, it isn't caused by a problem with your Shopify store. Google sometimes chooses its own snippet if it believes another section of your page better matches a user's search. However, there are several things you can do to improve the chances of your preferred meta description appearing. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin and open the page, product, collection, or blog post you want to optimize. Scroll down to the search engine listing section and click Edit. Make sure your meta description is clear, relevant, and accurately summarizes the page. Try to keep it around 150 to 160 characters so it isn't cut off in search results. Next, review your page content. Your meta description should closely match the information that actually appears on the page. If the description promises something that isn't clearly mentioned in the content, Google may ignore it and generate its own snippet instead. Keeping your page content aligned with your meta description increases the likelihood that Google will use it. Another important step is to write a unique meta description for every important page. Avoid copying the same description across multiple products or collections. Unique descriptions help search engines better understand each page and reduce the chance of duplicate metadata. If you've recently updated your meta description, remember that Google doesn't refresh search results immediately. It may take several days or even a few weeks before Google crawls the page again and updates the search snippet. During this time, it's normal to continue seeing the old description in search results. You should also submit your updated page for re-indexing using Google Search Console. Open the URL inspection tool, paste the page URL, and request indexing. While this doesn't guarantee an immediate update, it notifies Google that changes have been made and encourages it to crawl the page sooner. Another good practice is to make sure your page has a strong title and well-structured content. Google often pulls search snippets from headings or body text when it believes those sections better answer a user's search query. Clear headings and informative content improve both SEO and the quality of your search listings. After making your updates, search for your page using the site: operator followed by your domain name. This lets you confirm that Google has indexed the correct page. If the meta description isn't appearing after Google has recrawled the page, remember that Google ultimately decides which snippet to display based on the user's search and the page's content. It's also worth reviewing your Shopify theme or installed SEO apps. While most themes work correctly, some apps may overwrite your metadata or create conflicting SEO settings. If you've installed multiple SEO tools, make sure they're not generating duplicate meta descriptions for the same page. Finally, continue improving your content over time. High-quality product descriptions, helpful collection pages, and informative blog posts give Google more confidence in your website and improve your overall search visibility, even if Google occasionally rewrites your meta descriptions. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.